think it was very good from us for us from a team's point of view that we were up against a challenge in the last 4 sessions that we played yesterday and today, and we managed to turn things around. And you always feel good as a team when you have to come back from a difficult situation and win the test match again. See, 183, a lead of 440 still, that prompted us, looking at the wicket, the way it was spinning, for us not to bat again. And we had only bowled 48 or 49 overs in the first innings, so bowlers were fresh as well, and then we got a lunch break in between, which was 40 minutes. So all those things taken into consideration, we ended up enforcing it because we felt we have enough on the board not to bat again. If this was 200 or something, we still could have batted for 200 runs, maybe 250 runs, and then put them in again, because chasing a target, as I said, is always a big pressure situation, because as a side, when you lose one, then you never know how the new batters will react under pressure. So we always like that format more, where we put the opposition under pressure of chasing in a test match in the 4th innings more often than we do it. So I feel it's a bit of an advantage. He can get you a 60-70, very quick 60-70 anywhere at any stage of the game, which can really turn the game. If you see, remember Lords, you remember Dharamsala against Australia. So those are very important innings, 90 against England in Mohali. So it's not just when batters are doing well. It has come under pressure also, and he's always in the game. His fielding as well. I would say a very valuable cricketer for us. That is certainly an area that we want to keep improving on. It's I would say that on a pitch like that, where it's getting slower, sometimes you end up standing too far ahead because you want to pick up catches from the front, and then when one big shot is played and the ball is bowled quick, then you suddenly look like you're not in position. So it's a very tricky thing to figure out. Maybe we'll have to figure out a certain distance that we just stay in, no matter if the ball falls in front of us or something like that.